Use this simple hack and improve your Russian twice and even more. In Russian, we use imperfective verbs to show duration and perfective to emphasize result. For example, она делала уборку. She was doing the housework. Она сделала уборку. She has done or she did the housework. Мы читали книгу. We were reading the book. And мы прочитали книгу. We read or we've read the book. As you can see, the first example is equivalent to the continuous form in English, and the second is equivalent to the perfect or past simple form in English. In Russian, it doesn't matter whether it is past simple or present perfect. It will be the same. So, you see that to make the verb perfective, we add prefix in most cases, not in all. For example, смотрела, she was watching because we have the ending «а», and if he will be смотрел. And we add prefix «по» and it becomes perfective. Посмотрела. She has watched or she watched. Yes, смотрела, she was watching. Она посмотрела. She has watched. The same. To fix, yes. Чинили. They were repairing. Yes, they were repairing. They have repaired. They repaired. Они починили. We add prefix по. Yes, but we pronounce with pa because it is unstressed. And the ending is in plural чинили. Yes. Here you saw past continuous, yes, which transforms in past simple, present or past perfect form. And now we will see what happens with present time. We have the verb to make or to do. Я делаю. Я делаю. Now I'm doing something in continuous, or we can also translate it as in present simple in English. It transforms into future. Я сделаю. So when you add prefix in present tense, it becomes future simple. Я сделаю. I will do. Он читает. He reads or he is reading. Он прочитает. He will read. Yes, про. We have this prefix про, and we pronounce прочитает with а. Мы вяжем. We knit or we are knitting now. And we will knit. Мы свяжем. We add prefix. So in most cases, but there are of course some exceptions. Now you see that the only thing we need to memorize is when adding the prefix to past verbs, we get result in the past. So we have imperfective verbs in the past and they transform into perfective verbs in the perfect. Yes, we emphasize result. So it was continuous form, for example, past continuous transforms into present perfect or past perfect. And in present simple or present continuous, yes, as we can compare with English, transforms into future simple. This is the only thing we need to memorize. A quick note, if you want to show unfinished action in the future and its duration, you should use глагол быть плюс глагол в инфинитиве, the verb to be conjugated to a pronoun plus infinitive verb. For example, я буду вязать шарф. I will be knitting a scarf. Он будет читать книгу. He will be reading a book. Yes, you see this conjugation with he. Он будет, я буду. So, this will be equivalent to the future continuous tense in English. And using this simple hack, you will improve your speech from A2 to B2 or even C1. Great! Превосходно! And now, let's memorize this with rhyme and melodies. Вы готовы? Поехали! Он спал и уже поспал. One more time. Он спал и уже поспал. He was sleeping and has already slept. Он читал и уже прочитал. Он читал и уже прочитал. He was reading and has already read. Я готовила и я приготовила. For feminine gender. Я готовила и я приготовила. I was cooking and I've cooked. Я утюжила и я поутюжила. I was ironing and I've ironed. Я утюжила и я поутюжила. Они писали и уже написали. Они писали и уже написали. They were writing and have already written. Мы чинили и уже починили. We were repairing and we've already repaired. Yes? Мы чинили и уже починили. Вы учили и уже выучили. You were learning and you've already learned. Yes, for plural I said, yes. One more time. Он спал и уже поспал. Он читал и уже прочитал. Я готовила и я приготовила. Я утюжила и я поутюжила. Они писали и уже написали. Мы чинили и уже починили. Вы учили и уже выучили. I hope that you've already learned, but we will now continue with present and transforming into future, yes? Она читает, она прочитает. She is reading or she reads and she will read. Она пишет, она напишет. She is writing and she will write. Она читает, она прочитает. Она пишет, она напишет. Ты рисуешь и ты нарисуешь. You are drawing or you draw and you will draw. Ты рисуешь, ты нарисуешь. Ты смотришь, ты посмотришь. Ты смотришь, ты посмотришь. You look, you will look. Мы видим и мы увидим. Мы видим и мы увидим. We see and we will see. Вы шлете и скоро пришлете. Вы шлете и скоро пришлете. You send or you are sending and you will send soon. Скоро, yes, soon. Мы учим и скоро выучим. We are learning and we will learn soon. Yes, that's right. Okay, one more time. Она читает, она прочитает. Она пишет, она напишет. Ты рисуешь, ты нарисуешь. Ты смотришь и ты посмотришь. Мы видим и мы увидим. Вы шлете и скоро пришлете. Мы учим и скоро выучим. Замечательно! Did you like this method? Share in comments. Want to learn the whole Russian this way from scratch? Join our Natural Russian Studying course. We will learn Russian in a natural and joyful way with rhymes and poems. You can sign in on our website. Link is in the description. And now let's check our knowledge and complete a little quiz. Готовы? Начнем. Choose the correct type of verb, perfective or imperfective. Готовила. Готовила. Yes, this is imperfective. We don't have prefix here. And to check, we usually ask question, что делала? If we don't have prefix in the question, it is imperfective. If we have что сделала, it will be perfective because not in all cases we have prefixes, yes? And you will see it next. Налила. Налила. Yes, this is perfective. So she has poured. And we have Родила. Родила. Perfective. But how to make imperfective? It will be the same almost. It will be рожала. Yes, in continuous form. Рожала, родила. You don't have these extra prefixes. You have the difference in the middle. Okay. Now insert the correct prefix. Они писали. And make it perfective. Они написали. Он делал. Он сделал. Great job. Отличная работа. Now present tense. Ты играешь. And make it perfective. Two variants. You can say ты выиграешь. You will win. Or ты поиграешь. You will play. You will just play. Yes? Completed action. Ты поиграешь, ты выиграешь. Next one. Вы стираете. You are washing. And you need to make future tense perfective and to insert correct prefix. Вы постираете. Yes, we write по, but we pronounce па because it is unstressed. You will do laundry. You will wash. Вы постираете. Отлично! С вами была Софья. Увидимся в следующем выпуске. До встречи! Пока-пока!